My name's Jackie Bender. I've spent over a decade living in major cities in some pretty awesome apartments. But new apartment buildings are going up all the time, each one with bigger and better amenities. You can't possibly have time to see them all. But that's why I'm doing it for you. Come with me to tour some of the country's most spectacular apartment buildings. So today I'm in Chicago in the Gold Coast neighborhood, and I'm touring One East Delaware, and I'm meeting Ibrahim, who's their property manager.
Hey.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, are you Ibrahim?
That's me, welcome.
Hi, I'm Jackie, thank you for having me.
Absolutely.
This lobby is so pretty. Look at how sophisticated it is with all the gold and the black and white. It's beautiful.
Newly renovated just for you, Jackie.
Oh, excellent. I like to hear that.
Awesome.
And what a good location. I feel like, you know, all the neighborhoods in Chicago are great, but, you know, the Gold Coast, you just can't beat that.
From retail stores to restaurants to the mall,
Right.
Lamborghini store.
I know, right? So in addition to all of the shops and retail and restaurants that are all right in this area in the Gold Coast, they also have in this building on the first 5 floors more than 20 different retailers. So you've got all of this stuff right in the building without ever having to leave, including a Starbucks. You've got it all. But let's go check out the amenities.
Let's go check it out.
Okay. So we're on the 6th floor, the amenities floor now, and I just can't get over how beautiful this decor is. They have everything in one place on this one floor, and they continued this really beautiful Art Deco aesthetic throughout the whole space. The kind of space that I think is probably more beautiful than however you're decorating your apartment upstairs. So I would definitely be having my friends over to be watching TV and taking advantage of these spaces.
We have a private club room for residents to also rent for events, for whatever it is that they want to set up. We have that as an amenity for them.
Yeah, I really like this party room. Do you have events and stuff in there, like Christmas parties
yeah,
and stuff
Christmas
like that?
parties or summer parties. We had a fashion show not too long ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Ibrahim said even on a monthly basis, they have fashion shows every month where they partner with local retailers and have models showing the latest fashions from these shops that are just right nearby that you can go and actually buy these clothes. In the back here, you've got a couple different tables where you could work from home or grab coffee with friends in the building.
Wi-Fi is throughout the first floor. Awesome. It's also up in the 6th floor. There's a pool room back there. You know, there's also a conference room for folks that want to work at home.
They have a fitness center which has a Peloton bike, which is such a great thing to have. I mean, so many people who don't live in buildings like this, you know, when are you gonna have the opportunity to try a Peloton bike? And they just have one here in their gym. One of my favorite parts is this terrace here. Can we go check it out?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Let's go check it out.
Good. This is a cool space.
Yeah, definitely.
Can we sit here on the edge of the water feature?
The water feature.
Cool. I love all the hedges that are around too. It really just like warms up the space and makes it just feel very nice.
Absolutely.
It just feels so lush and relaxing out there with the landscaping, the colorful flowers and shrubbery and trees, and then the water feature. It's just so relaxing to just sit out there. And it's a space that I think would definitely be used further into this season. So should we check out some of the units?
Let's go do it.
Awesome, sounds good.
All right, welcome to our 1-bedroom apartment, Jackie.
Awesome. It feels so spacious. I think
Yeah.
it's because the kitchens are a little bit smaller, but that allows for a much bigger living space.
Exactly,
feel.
exactly.
Yeah, because this living room just feels like it goes on and on. I was so surprised when you said it's still a standard apartment size because it feels really open.
It's huge. I mean, it's over 800 square feet here.
Yeah.
You know, we're on the 19th floor facing northwest. I mean, amazing views, lots going on.
You've got the floor to ceiling windows, which definitely opens it up and makes it feel bigger.
Absolutely.
And balconies. That's so unusual in a rental building to have balconies. You know, you have beautiful views from this building, so it would just be a nice place to spend time, especially in the summertime. Awesome. And then you have a few smart home features as well. You have Wiz Crib, and you also have Alexa that you can connect the apartment to.
Yeah, we actually can have Alexa and smart features already set up in your apartment before you move in. You can call for Starbucks, or you can, just set up, your temperature and all types of cool things.
That's so easy. I can be up here with Starbucks just right downstairs,
Right downstairs.
order my Starbucks,
Exactly.
and then just pick it up on the way out.
That's it. That's the plan.
All right. Well, thank you so much. This has
Thank
been
you.
such a great tour.
I appreciate your time.
Thank you. So this building is so glitzy and glam. It just has a really specific aesthetic that I absolutely love. You have everything from restaurants to grocery stores to coffee shops to retailers, not only just around the building, but even in the building. You have everything right at your fingertips.